Make a great choice today with the 2016 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, premium sound system, MP3 player. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.